In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install the Binding of Isaac Rebirth on PC. So to download and play the Binding of Isaac Rebirth on PC, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser, type in steampowered.com. You have to go ahead and install Steam first of all. And when you open up Steam, then you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device. So press on Install Steam and select the device that you're installing Steam on. And when you've done that, run the installation. You'll have successfully downloaded as well as installed Steam on your device. Then the next thing is you have to go ahead and create your account. When you create your account, you have to go ahead and press on Stores, and it's going to take you to the Store section. Here, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Binding of Isaac. The Binding of Isaac Rebirth, go ahead and tap on it, and here you need to go ahead and tap on Add to Cart, then proceed on to the checkout method. When you've successfully purchased the game, it's time for you to download and install as well as create your account, and then you can go ahead and play on the Binding of Isaac Rebirth on PC. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.